Only about 4% of the world's population has made crypto speculations according to AAA. However, SafeMoon and EverGrow Coin are leading the charge to ramp up crypto adoption in 2022. SafeMoon and EverGrow Coin revolutionized the crypto business by becoming the top reflection tokens in the market. The two projects offer the chance for financial backers to increase their earnings without selling crypto assets, and in 2022 they officially partnered up on a high-profile billboard campaign across the United States. Welcome viewers to my channel. Please subscribe, like my video and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. Both SafeMoon and EverGrow Coin have ambitious roadmaps to make it easier for newcomers to the cryptocurrency market. Here is an outline of why the tokens could be a top crypto interest in 2022. EverGrow Coin to launch NFT marketplace, content subscription platform and metaverse. NFTs have appreciated massive success to develop from $82.5 million in total sales in 2020 to $17.7 billion in sales in 2021. This month EverGrow Coin is expected to drop another NFT marketplace that can disrupt the current market leader, OpenSea, by launching on the cheaper and faster Binance Smart Chain. Currently, OpenSea runs on the Ethereum organization, whose organization expenses can oscillate between $30 to $50 per transaction. Frequently that's more than the value of the asset being traded, in a gigantic barrier to newcomers. With a NFT marketplace on the Binance Smart Chain, the two artists and traders alike will be attracted to EverGrow Coin's addition to the space. EverGrow Coin will also before long launch the world's first crypto-integrated content subscription platform, Creator. The platform offers competitive charges, at simply 5% compared to OnlyFans' 20% commission. Creator will let content creators set different subscription levels as well as put live-stream content behind a paywall, and in doing so carry newcomers into the cryptocurrency space. One of EverGrow Coin's most exciting projects this 2022 is the abstract metaverse. The project already has a waiting list of 65,000 and is the principal cloud-based virtual reality gaming platform. To date, the 50 million VR headset proprietors in the United States need additional computing power, costing up to $5,000, to play great VR games at home. SafeMoon launches the new SafeMoon card. SafeMoon is currently the most well-known reflection token, as it launched a half-year ahead of EverGrow Coin last year. The project charges a 10% transaction tax on purchase/sell orders, with 4% rearranged as rewards, 3% for liquidity pools, 2% for coin consuming, and 1% for the SafeMoon Ecosystem Growth Fund. A vital milestone in SafeMoon's roadmap towards mass crypto adoption in 2022 is the launch of the SafeMoon card. This charge card will let clients make purchases with SafeMoon and many other cryptocurrencies. According to SafeMoon's site, cryptocurrencies will be instantly converted to their fiat value at the hour of spending. Clients can also choose in which request to utilize crypto assets for spending online or available. The SafeMoon card will be globally accepted, as well as offering a virtual card in-app. The project is likely to support newcomers to the crypto space by offering an easy-to-involve mechanism for utilizing crypto in daily life. Overall, it appears to be that SafeMoon has a brilliant future ahead of it. It has a direct stake in decentralized finance, and as this fills before long, we expect the price of SafeMoon to accordingly rise. What's more, its V2 updates and impressive different features are constantly updating the coin's ease of purpose, accessibility, and security. Nonetheless, financial backers should be wary that because of the coin's altcoin nature, it is highly susceptible to large price swings, which can lead to massive volatility. In this article, we will delve deeper into the SafeMoon price and attempt to decipher predictions for the following 5 years. We will also take a closer look at what the project is currently doing, how it may have direct implications for strategic policies, and how you can purchase crypto today. SafeMoon Price Prediction 2022. We will presently run you through some quick-fire price predictions for SafeMoon crypto for the coming years. We will delve deeper into these predictions further into the article, so keep reading to figure out the rationale behind each one. For reference, the current price of SafeMoon is £0.00000039. End of 2022, the price of SafeMoon has struggled throughout recent months, following a bearish crypto trajectory of the more extensive markets. Notwithstanding, we expect that as markets recover, the price could surpass its previous all-close and reach the £0.00001 level. 2023, as decentralized finance fills in popularity, SafeMoon could see a higher amount of clients. In addition to this, as the developers make an ever-increasing number of updates to the coin, it will be all the more widely accessible to the public. As such, we predict the coin could ascend to the 0.1 pounds level toward the finish of 2023. 2025, the price of crypto is exceptionally hard to predict because of it being such a volatile asset.